Today you will deride. D-E-R-I-D-E, deride. Deride simply means express contempt for ridicule. Express contempt for ridicule. So what are the synonyms for the word deride? There are ridicule, mock, jeer at, scoff at, jibe at, make fun of, poke fun at, laugh at. Antonyms for deride. There are respect, respect, praise, praise. Number 1. Got derided by a carnival clown. Number 2. You shouldn't deride their voice. Number 3. Quite often his sense of superiority makes him deride her opinions. Number 4. They deride his effort as childish. Number 5. Feel free to deride me for my mistake.